Hello again, this is Michael Kinsley here from Qtell Wholesale Limited in Odd, franchise partner to Molly's Wholesale. And today I'm going to show you how to enter an image into your website using HTML code and how to have a mail to also on the same page. So we'll click and you can actually send your email. So basically what I've done is I've entered into, I'll just show you what I've done here. Appearance settings, edit site layout, and this is controlling the boxes down the left and right. Okay, we're on to this now. Scroll down and I'm now going to add a new box. Okay, so we're going to add a new box in and we're going to give it a low priority for now, just for the testing purposes. So I'll call it test. You can call this whatever you want. And we'll call it test. And we want it more on the left hand side, fairly low. So we can put it down low. So now we edit the HTML online. So we're actually doing this online out to the server. It's very straightforward. Let the server catch up. Now we're actually in this page. You can see it's actually blank at the moment. Well, let's go into the HTML little button here. Now what I've done is I've prepared some code already. So if you take an image, take a snapshot of that, that's how you work the code. And basically I'm going to go to Google. The target is going to be a blank. The reason why behind that is it opens up a different web page. My image source is there. Okay, so that's already URL. I already explained that you have to upload the images into your server. That's the width and that's the height. You can change them. The alt, this is the thing I was telling you earlier on. This is what this does. The alt will let you write. You can make that as long as you want. You can write whatever you want in there, and then border equals 0. That means there's no outline border on it, and there's a little code to finish it off. So what we do is we just copy that, copy it, we'll just move it away, and we paste that into our editor here. Paste, and there you go. You can see the code's already in there. You update, and then you see our picture come in there. Now we can actually make that picture as big as we want, or we can sort it out, but we know our box size is going to be 200. We discussed that earlier on. It's going to be 200. So we can go back into the HTML. So we just roughly aid around the 200 mark. Let's see where it's going to be. I have a rough idea myself. It's roughly around there. So let's have a look at that and see how far I'm off. Okay, 206 there, and the height is, the width is 206, so I'm slightly out, and the height is 161. So we just need to take that out, so we just need to move the width a wee bit. And there we have it. So we changed that. So let's update that. And we'll bring on our web page. And then we refresh. You can do this with everything. You can do this with products. You can do this with any picture at all. You can put it to any URL at all. I've put it to Google this time. But you can actually get your URL. So if you click on a product, it comes up with the URL here. You just copy that URL, and that's the page you want to go to. So down here, so it should be down in here. And there's our picture there. As you notice, I put my cursor on it. It says test demo. I click on it. Opens up a new box and it goes to Google. There we go, and that's it. That's basically about it. So we can actually go in there and edit that now. So let's take that out. So that's working fine. So let's go and edit it. So we just click on there. So now we go in, you can see the code is already there, so we can edit that now. Still a bit too wide, so we can move it just around a small tad, make it look nice on the web page. And that's basically about it. Let's click in there, and then what we do then is we've got this other code I want to give you, which lets you send an email, and that's the code there for it. It's mailed to, that's my email address. You put your own email address, and you can write whatever you want in these boxes, to there, or from there to there. So we'll copy that, copy, and then we go into the HTML line, come in there, and we just shortcut down there, paste it in. Now there we go, there's the code there, update, and you can see that it's come in here, right? So it hasn't come in too well, it's going to be too far on the web page, so we just need to put our little cursor in there and bring it down below. And as you can see here now, that's the way it's come up. So we save the changes and bring in our web page and refresh the web page. And there we go, there's our email there, and there's our picture. It looks a bit better, and we click on that and we'll go straight to the email, and this will be a customer or a client, whoever's online, and they can actually email you straight away. I have that here in a few places where people can just click on the stuff and just email. There we go, I think it's the, yeah, that's it there. They can email me out. And that's how you work everything on the web pages. All work exactly the same, no different. And you can add a product in here if you want to, and it will take you to the URL. And that's basically how you work it. So up to date now, you should be fairly well up to date with all the different aspects of using your admin, of using your cart, your shopping cart admin. And you can add as many as you want of these. 30 is fairly good, and that's basically about it. Okay, thank you very much. This is Michael Kinsler from Qtell Wholesale Limited, franchise partner for with James Marley Wholesale. So, till I catch you the next time. Bye bye.